Next bird in the air is the Galarian Zapdos. Whack to the camera there. Well done, Zapdos. Another great promo card. These birds are absolutely wonderful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Salazzle, Dusclops, Tang, Snorunt, Ponyard, Tangela, Boltoy, Galarian. Oh, a Ditto! Oh yes, I love me a Ditto card. And there is something hiding behind here. Something blue. Something Glaceon V. Hello, soldier. Look at him. What a winner. We are doing pretty well off pack 1. So landed reverse and a Luxray. Yanma. Great Ball reverse and a Tangrowth. Ponyard. Oh, Deoxys. Galarian Gallery. Yes. Look at him. Fusion Strike, Single Strike, Rapid Strike. All in one. Fantastic. And a Leon Hollow. I love this Deoxys. Look at him. What a stunning card this one is. Yeah, these Galarian Gallery cards are really brilliant. Oddish reverse and a wall. Deoxys, Ditto, Glaceon V, and Galarian Zapdos. Wonderful stuff. Thanks very much.